Yesterday we have done up to question number 32, and now let us start with your question number 33, and this will be the third type of the question that is being asked from this chapter, unit mass, unit and measurement. Question number 33, we have a given equation F is equal to, according to Newton's, this particular equation is done recently, okay, recently in our viscosity chapter. Newton's law viscosity na kuna tamgidana adugi formula ni kuna la ise formula that F is equal to viscous force will be equal to coefficient of viscosity minus this is A into this is dV by dx. So minus E given in the Newton's law your viscosity the sumana tam given ko adu sida ate ingasi. According to Newton, the viscous force acting between the two layers of area A and velocity gradient is equal to eta A delta V divided by delta Z, where eta is a constant called as coefficient of viscosity. Then we have to find out the coefficient of viscosity. See the mamang the map coefficient of viscosity is it will be equal to m L inverse 1 T inverse 1. See them tabni si tadupni ko. And coefficient of viscosity is we can find it out from two different formula, three different formula. They can find out the way. We can find out from three different formula for this coefficient of viscosity. See put pai. Ahan the kuna tamise karino. Nangi water set any viscous medium if we consider any viscous medium, that means if we consider the flow of liquid, then this liquid flow will be in the form of layer. Liquid will flow in the form of layers, and if two layers are considered to be separated by a distance dx, this is separated by a distance dx, and which one will move faster? See, this is the upper layer, this is the second layer nata. This is second layer, this is first layer. Let us consider the velocity of the first layer to be v plus delta v, okay? And what about the velocity of this second layer? The velocity of the second layer will be considered as v. Which one is faster? Faster of second helani upper layer is the hand the bro. Understood the week? When the Kang is Nangi distance distance of separation between these two layers is dx, and this dx create a small increment in the velocity increment like this small displacement produces small increase in the velocity by dv. Is that understood or not? So if any physical quantity changes with distance, then it will be known as gradient, and if the physical quantity changes with time, it will be known as rate. Rate height is d by dt. As the physical quantity or any physical quantity that changes with time will be known as rate. Any physical quantity that changes with distance will be this will be now this is equal to rate. This is now known as gradient in the correct. Adu di mana stele set magi surface area in ecology. If the two layers of the water is in flow to the liquid or fluid will flow in layer by layer form legini. Aduga what is viscosity means? What is viscosity? Viscosity means it is the force that try to reduce the relative motion between the two conjugative layers. The first layer will try to reduce the velocity of the second layer. In the same time, the second layer will also try to reduce the velocity of the first layer. That is the mutual opposition to the flow of fluids between layers. This will be known as viscosity. Okay. Viscosity let me give you an example. If we consider water and glycerin or honey, okay, honey kui logera natraga glycerin logera natraga water you can pour out water very quickly. What ising ji chalo hido ko na do kui di adi honey natraga kano nangi glycerin natraga honey je law matam si haidok matam dadi kai dawrani amagi it relatively slow in a fall to bro if we consider a very viscous medium just like glycerin or honey. Okay, when it is poured down it will take time to fall tarak tapidna because there will be layers. Okay, layer mudini, and that layer will try to reduce the velocity of one another, and that force is known as viscosity in a high rate, and viscosity force will be given by like this. Viscous force will be equal to directly proportional to area of the layer into velocity given. The change of the velocity with change in the distance will be known as your velocity gradient. Which one is faster? See, Nijikarana faster way. Upper layer is faster Vinatra, Karigino, due to this distance of separation. Other we see layer number 3 ga, layer number 1 with which one will be the faster? Layer number 1 will be the faster. Very easy, okay. So, like we said, this will be our answer. See, I will answer Tani. Anyway, I will calculate this. What take off? Aduga, see, coefficient of viscosity. Let me point out the formula that involves this coefficient of viscosity of GXC. F is this is formula number 1. Formula number 2 is Stokes law. Stokes law F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. This is my lack. This is known as the terminal velocity Vt. Next formula number 3 terminal velocity Vt is equal to 2r square divided by 9 into this is rho minus sigma divided by coefficient of eta into this is g. As the equation of we have these 3 different equations. C equation of you can find out the dimension formula of eta. Dimension formula of eta is produced over here, and all the 3 equations there will produce the same dimension formula of coefficient of viscosity. And if you are able to by heart the dimension formula, then it will be very easy. ML inverse the inverse one. Anyway, I will calculate how to find out this coefficient of viscosity from this given equation. Force is equal to eta you can ignore the minus sign, ignore the area am. This is area A into this is velocity dv. In your question it is given as dx. Dx dz or you can write any one. Okay, therefore it will be f into this is dz divided by A into this is dv. This is equal to eta. Let us put the dimensional formula for force. Force ml t inverse 2 into what about your dz? Z means it is in terms of distance. Distance ki length length L. See area ki length square into velocity. This is the change in velocity. Velocity will be L t inverse 1. This is equal to coefficient of here. Here we can cancel out this LL get cancel out. Okay, so LL get cancel out totally. Here this will be coefficient of viscosity equal to, if this L square is taken upside, this will be M L inverse 1, and if it is taken upside, this will become plus 1 and a minus 2. It will be D minus 1. Minus what there? Formula as a familiar or in a way what any see of whom is in a question of I know dimension formula for coefficient of viscosity is very important. This can be asked from your first equation, second equation, or third equation, and these 3 equations will produce the same dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. That is the concept. This is based on principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity if this is the force, then these physical quantities on the right hand side must be force tagdobne yaga adu the base to puthokani. Anyway, let us do your question number 39. Question number 38 is also important. Question number 38 is important, oi 39 is important, oi adu let me do only this question number 39. Question number 39 demo, we have Planck's constant ice speed of the light. Ice is equal to Planck's constant. This is also very important. Planck's constant. Otherwise, the pyramid is C is equal to speed of light. This is very easy. Speed of light means if we have to write the dimension formula, then it will be equal to L T inverse 1. Next step G is the gravitational constant and I have the top. G is equal to gravitational constant. Yesterday I have told you how to find out the gravitational constant in your question number. Let me point out the question number. Question number 23 that answer answer comes out to be m inverse to L cube T inverse 2 in a last natro. Or option number 8 you can find this out very easily. First of all, let us find out Planck's constant. Planck's constant I will upload the formula for those who do not have the formula, written formula. In that formula you will have all these written dimension formula for Planck's constant, stress, Young's modulus. You will find that there. So for time being, let us find out your Planck's constant. This is very important. Here we have E equal to H mu. Where do you get this formula? In which chapter? Chapter to E equal to H mu. Photoelectric equation photoelectric effect energy of a photon energy of photon is equal to H mu and mu is the frequency in energy energy formula we have this m L square T inverse 2 equal to H into we know that frequency is the inverse of the time inverse we can put it as T inverse 1. Okay, T inverse 1 finally frequency is equal to 1 by T. If it is expressed in terms of dimensions, the H will be equal to m L square T inverse 1. This will be the dimension formula for your Planck's constant. See, energy energy you must by heart this one. Energy ml square T inverse 2. ml square T inverse 2. This is the formula for your energy or work energy ki lakadoi ko. Next time we gravitation ni ngarang koina puthoki gravitation ko to kya ita we have this extra ni ko say it is G will be equal to F into this is F into this is R square divided by M1 into this is M2. Yesterday we have done like this M1 M2. So I like to draw. That will be here ML T inverse 2 into this is L square divided by M square. To the answer that this will be M inverse 1 L cube T inverse 2. Similar na laki ko. That will be here. Nangi kaya mana kiba? Singilere. Can we put the dimension formula for here? For H here, Planck's constant for Planck's constant, this is m L square T inverse 1. Similar ko. Aduga gravitational constant gravitational constant m inverse 1 L cube T minus 2. Adu this question chapter 0 you have to by heart all the dimension formula, and if you are not able to by heart, then you should know how to find it out from the given from a standard formula. In question number 39 for this question number 39, which of the following combination of this has the dimension of length? We have three different three different quantities ahum lai re ko Planck's constant number lai re speed of light number lai re mathang da gravitational constant number lai re dra using these three quantities we must have a equation and the equation must have the dimension of length ka tahallo abane ba h ne c ne g ne combine torokanda equation ama produce tau aduga that equation must have the dimension of length ka manana legedo bari habani adu ita here we can go through the conventional method but it will be very long process, so we will be going through the option. That means here the combination of this I, C and G. We do not know the coefficient and power. Coefficient and power combination of this must produce dimensionally equal to length manana lahangado neo. The combination of this I, C and G must produce length tagado bani. Let us go through the option. Option number A na kaya resa. Option number A na this is root over H G divided by C 3 by 2 like if this option number 1 is correct, option number 1 says to mumbata radi the simplification of this H G in C this expression will be equal to length tagado. Understood ko? Here I will give you one more shortcut formula mo haye length means how will you express the dimensional formula of length? That means it will have m equal to 0, length equal to 1, and this is t equal to 0. That means the basic physical quantity, the labor mass length times the power of mass must be 0. Mass ki power do 0 hoigidoni. Time power to kya hoigidoni? Time power must be also 0. If we get the power of the mass to be -1, -3, then that option will not be our correct answer. Option 2 answer will. Seeing let us put like this. See combining event. See simplify the way can we write like this? Hg divided by c cube and raised to power this is half. Do you understand this or not? Root over Hg means this is raised to power half, and this c raised to power 3 by 2 can be written as c to power cube into 1 by 2. So power half is common to both numerator and denominator. So we take common out. Common out is the half record. We just put the value here. H की value क्या ना? What is the value of H? H की value the dimension formula is ml square. This is t inverse 1 into what is the gravitational constant? Dimension formula is m inverse 1 after the l cube. This is t minus 2 divided by c की क्या ना? C cube 5 निको. If we take the cube, c cube root हम लोग बता दी. This is 1 by 2 na record. Cube root means it will be L cube. This is t minus 3. Do you understand this? The cube nico. This is speed ki dimension formula the L t inverse 1. L t inverse 1 the cube pass along. We will be having this. Adadi ye ngasi check kar si ko here. Now m se m and the m get cancel out. This will be plus 1. This will be minus 1. So this cancel out like record. L cube से L cube cancel चट पे आ रहा था here L cube and L cube get cancel out, and this is C m and the m minus 1 C cancel चट record, and we will be having C क्या लाइक बता रहा L square t minus 3 divided by t minus 3. That means here this will be our answer. This is half direct at the L square into half at the C category. This is L. So we get option number 1 as our answer. Luckily we get our option number 1 as the correct option. Option जे ऐसे कोई नहीं लौटे ना. सी कोई ना principle of homogeneity पाल लगे होत पनी को. सी जे कोई ना convention method तो वाले दी it will be very long. यामला सांगने अब. Understand तो we. अतो वो option number 1 से answer टाबता रजू what will be the another trick अमा move पे आई को. हाई बदी सी option number 1 से if this option is given in option number 4 or 3, then how will you eliminate the remaining one? I'm going to option number 2 is there. Let me illustrate this. Option number 2. Option number B kita root over क्या लाखों से h g divided by c raised to power 5 by 2 हम लाखों ना क्या अतो can we write like this? This is h g divided by c raised to power 5 and this is whole power minus we have a half. Understood the way I go? अतो we just put the value of h. Answer दी को ना सीखा गए अतो वो elimination process. So I am teaching you how to eliminate the remaining option. H की value is कहना what is the dimension from now H? It will be m l square t inverse 1 into what about g की value दी क्या माने this is m inverse l cube t minus 2 and c की दी power क्या कर रही this is l cube हम लाख रहा this will be l to power 5 t to power minus 5 here see m and the m get cancel out and we must be able to cancel out the time also time to cancel chat ko ngom do bneba just forget about the length to khoroba length to press ko didi mo se nangi se length to this is l to power 5 lakra l to power 5 into this is t to power kya lani se t to power minus 3 divided by this is l to power 5 and 2 this is t to power minus 5 this is half of l to power 5 l to power 5 that means kai na lo rani that this option number B is wrong kai mo to wrong mari no in the question in the period is kai no we have to find a equation that is equivalent to length in terms of dimensional length ka mana bhai bani but after solving this option number B, this length is eliminated from numerator and denominator. Numerator का denominator जितकी length से cancel सकरे. अदुइदी this is the expression containing only the time को करे. अदुइदी this should not be our answer. ऐकोई की answer होए रोय. So this is the way to eliminate our option number B. Understood तो उधरो? हंगा निको. Now let us proceed to your question number 44. 44 moholasi. Question number 44. Here we have a given equation P plus A divided by B square into this is equal to B into this is theta divided by V. माना pyramid से कहेंगे pyramid where P से कहेंगे P is the pressure हमारा है नहीं को pressure टी कहे है कि pressure is equal to force per unit area ना है भी नहीं volume V is ना करेंगे वैसे this is volume हम ले रहे मथंग दा करी नो pyramid से theta is na absolute temperature theta is temperature aduga a ga b ga na constant here a and b are constant simply constant adu ko produce to biji kai no here we have to find out the dimension of a is puthoga kai ni so all the question we are discussing now are based on principle of homogeneity and that principle states that only the like physical quantity can be added or can be subtracted. Length plus length will be equal to length. Length minus length it will be equal to length. It cannot be twice L or it cannot be 0. I ngarang se explain to pre ko sikhang do buni mass must be added or subtracted to the mass. Understood to bra tawi adu dima group addition na traga subtraction to buse only the like physical quantity ka lagado bane adu here koina puthoti se mo B hamra A hamra in this question number 44 what is being asked sida hangami se B se kanu se hangmana tro A is being asked in the question so this P stands for pressure this A we do not know this B is the volume and we know that if this is pressure then this combination A by B square must be equal to this must be equal to pressure according to our principle of homogeneity because only the like physical quantity can be added or can be subtracted. Manabugai pudana bayani having is the pressure record. Adu the C terms A by B square have terms. This must be also pressure forever. Unless this is pressure, we cannot have the correct dimensional equation. Understood? We go. Here A by B square is equal to pressure, so we equate it with pressure. Pressure ga equate tawre. A is equal to pressure into this is volume square. B square ma hari ko volume square ni pressure ki kya mane. Here pressure is equal to force per unit area ni. We can put like this ml T inverse 2 divided by area ki kya. This is L square. Okay. Other volume volume is equal to L cube and it is raised to power square. Volume is length into breadth into height. Length is L, breadth is L, height is L. So L cube. Understood correct? We can be put like this. This is M 6 7 M L to power 7 T inverse 2 divided by L square. Understood? This is 6 layer na. See this 7 after simplification we will be having m raised to the power m L raised to the power 5 T inverse 2. This will be our answer. See answer je tar ni aba. Adu luckily nang B se hangamde. Luckily the question do not ask you to find out the dimension of B. B se hangbatar how will you find out the formula for B? B की formula is क्या लानी? ज्ञान दापरे हैं से B की formula को तो क्या दी dimension formula को तो क्या दी कमाई को थोड़ी सी मुझे हम दरकार टाइप को try this yourself नहीं hybrid mo अदु we can put like this. This is your extra homework नहीं है कल लगे इसमें है B into this is theta divided by volume B must be equal to this must be क्या ताकि से this must be equal to mass pressure का मान रखा था मान रोई ड्रॉ. This must be also equal to pressure को माना गया है. And is there understood or not? Understood हो तुम तो एक और मतलब दी this is pressure plus pressure equal to pressure ताकत हो बने. अतो we can be write like this. This is B equal to क्या माना नहीं pressure P into this is volume V divided by this is theta. Understood हो गया यार नहीं को अतो सीधे नंग कहनो कुछ हो सीधे जो I will feel more. I need that you just use the concept of nangi karamba concept ideal gas equation PV is equal to mu RT. You just use the dimensional formula for that. See use the row. Yeah, PV is equal to mu RT. हम ले बनेस्टी Kelvin ना तो है भी दिने. See temperature हम ले बने बा. तो we can put like this. Minus on तो पे आ रहे हैं मुझे. This is mu is constant because number of mole is a number is not a physical quantity, so we ignore this. This is equal to R temperature T. This is not the time temperature PV is equal to R temperature theta. This is R theta divided by theta. This get cancelled out and the dimensional formula of B will be equal to it will be equal to your dimension of universal gas constant. Understood? Try this at your home. Next question number 47. Question number 47 की concept. This is very important. Question number 47 की concept is very important here. What is E? E is kari hai. Most of the students do not understand what is the difference between constant and dimensional constant and constant having dimensional formula. Constant is one issue whenever formula like jabama, formula like tabama. So the E is this is known as exponential. Exponential constant ko web ko. Atuga sigi koina we have already find out the value here. Ice is known as Planck's constant. Planck's constant. Aduga G is this is gravitational constant. Aduga C is this is speed of light. This is also constant. This these three parameters are constant. Even though they are constant, they have their dimension. Magi dimension lebra. We have already defined in the previous question. Previous question the dimension puthokre, h ki puthokre, g ki puthokre, c ki puthokre. But exponential constant number lower c natraga small number lower. What is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 2.14 lakra. Like adudagi mo nagi small ibi abre mo se sida exponential e value जो 2.7 something lakani ko. See you cannot. These are all dimensionless. Masih dimension lebra dimension like ko dimensionless. Other the constant can be divided into two different category. One having the dimension and another having no dimension at all. Understood to bro? So we go. Other the sidemo C e value is kind of e value is the value of e is 2.7. Then this is a constant, and if 2.7 is raised to power 1 or raised to power 4 or raised to power 7, we will be having a number, and this number is also a constant number tabung thokra to equal, and it will have zero dimension understood without the exponential constant 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial plus 1 divided by 3 factorial. This is not important. Okay, see the maru this is for your general understanding. Plus 1 by 4 factorial. See total and its value will be 2.7 something. Is there understood or not? This is known as exponential constant. Question number 47. Now we have this p equal to p naught exponential constant e raised to power alpha t square. Alpha t square minus p. Let us read the question. The dependence of a physical quantity p is given by p equal to p naught, where p naught exponential power raised to power exponential constant raised to power minus alpha t square, where alpha is a constant and t is the time. Niko. Then the constant a se constant a ki dimension kya we have to find out the dimension formula of alpha or a. Alpha natraga a se alpha e is let us put this as a. See e is a this is a constant, and constant any power it will be always constant. This raised to power 7 or it is x square kagera natraga sida alpha t square it doesn't matter. It will always produce a number natro. Constant any power it will be remain constant natro. We put this as alpha t square as dimension constant. See, this is equal to constant and is that understood or not? See, kanogi ni say actual if we approach to dimension the lower taragadi alpha t square se kya banagani. This will be a number e to power 4 or e to power minus 7 or that means alpha t square must be a number. Number is also constant. Here we can put like this. This is equal to a is equal to constant. We generally take it as 1 1 divided by t square, and this will be t inverse 2. 1 by t square t inverse 2. This t is this small t represent the expression from our given equation, and this capital T denotes the dimensional or symbolic representation of time. Time representation niko. Answer to kya hoga option number B hoga. Hence the dimension of t to power minus 2. Understood right? Yariko. The next question number 48 and question number 49 say these two are same. Chamana niko. The principle of homogeneity. What is the actual procedure for calculating question based on principle of homogeneity? aina hotpa matamda question number 39 da I have done this question number 39 and we go through by option the chalidana option the chali adubu that option the chatpagi process to that is the shortcut and what is the actual way to calculate this type of question number 39 question number 39 or question number 38 question number 38 39 question number 48 question number 49 say these four questions will be based on one single method. Understood we go? I will do that and take is the mag method single take. Anyway, I will go through both shortcut method and our conventional method. Animal in the take. No bekhada shortcut method the whole go. In your examination you go by your you go through shortcut method ta yam holo. For this question number 49 we are given the question is the frequency of vibration of a mass m suspended from a spring of a spring constant k is given by frequency f equal to a m raised to power x k raised to power y where a is a dimensionless constant the value of x and y. That means we have to find out the value of x and y and here it is given that m stands for the mass and k stands for your spring constant. What is the easiest way to calculate such type of question? This is the famous equation, live equation. Here we can consider like this oscillation. Most of you will remember this oscillation. If oscillation there will be two different types of oscillation. Number one will be linear oscillation and number two will be angular oscillation, and linear oscillation will be visible in case of your spring system the linear oscillation chatkani. That means to and fro like this, to fro. Okay, I have to kan chatkani aba aduga angular oscillation means just pendulum amada kailani se up down angle amada oscillation to bro we ko sumaina lakna. This is spring amale and we have this mass m suspended from this spring constant km later bro, and if we pull this down, see by some external force and this force release the it will be vibrations up down and vibration and what is the mode of vibration or what is the mode of vibration oscillation they are same. What is the basic difference between vibration and oscillation? These two are basically the same physical quantity in which vibration has some more rapid motion. Rapidly vibration oscillation may be slow or it may be fast, but vibration must be fast. Vibration is fast never. When the phone the vibration more thermidana, that means vibration is very quick. Oscillation that occurs very fast is known as vibration. That is the basic difference. Understood? So if we pull this down mass and try to pull down it will produce oscillation to and from motion, up down motion is and this mass m is moving upward downward in a straight line. The mode of oscillation is linear because the oscillation is in a straight line linear oscillation. Understood? Pendulum consider if we consider the pendulum, then this pendulum this will be your angular oscillation. This will be your angular oscillation. This will be your linear oscillation. And what is the time period and the frequency? Frequency ki kamani time period and frequency ki my formula. If you do not understand, then I will just give you a frequency f. If you are able to find out, if you are able to remember the expression for your frequency, then it will be very easy. Frequency ke mana 2 pi √c ke mana ba m divided by k. Okay, k divided by m like natra. Sometimes I you confuse like k divided by m. Anyway, we can check this out. Is it correct or wrong? See, we can find this out. Yam line over pay and the spring this is the spring, and according to our Hooke's law, this is force F this is displaced by x. Spring pull out to it increases by x distance. Increase of the F is equal to minus k of x where x is the displacement, where k is the spring constant or force constant, and height force will be equal to mass into acceleration, and this will be equal to k. This is minus k into x. Here we can put like this: a is equal to minus k divided by m, and this is x. Here this a will be equal to minus omega square x. This is omega square minus omega square x. Here omega square here omega square is equal to k by m. This is the general expression for your simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion simple harmonic motion is the type of motion in which acceleration is opposite to the displacement. Displacement to the opposite of there will be simple harmonic motion. I am using only the physical language physics use language confuse I explain oscillation magi sumaina see rise to let us consider for your pendulum angular oscillation consider sumaina rise the velocity becomes lesser and lesser until it is stopped at this particular position. Okay, this is the mean position. I can say this is particularly downward, and this is the mean position. And once the body or once the pendulum moves in the upward direction, velocity decreases, and we can say that displacement increases. This is the mean position, and displacement increases. If the displacement increases, velocity is reduced, and it will be finally comes to zero. Displacement increase the acceleration is also decreased. Okay, displacement reduced we will be having like this. This is the to and fro motion like this. Minus up to here. This is the maximum displacement, and downward the displacement decreases, and if the displacement is decreases, acceleration is increased. We can say that displacement and the acceleration are opposite. If displacement is decreased, acceleration increases, and such type of our motion will be known as simple harmonic motion. Displacement ka acceleration ka se opposite chana bataragadi, there will be simple harmonic motion. And have natro koi na car ma thori kalaji general concept if we use this, if this is a car of mass m, and if acceleration is produced, that means if you kick the accelerator here displacement is along the direction of your acceleration ki direction displacement this is the Roman transitory motion. Understood the we go accelerator the car is it the car move in the reverse direction when you kick the accelerator it moves in the upward, it moves in the forward direction. That means we can say that in our general case acceleration is along the direction of the displacement. But in case of our oscillation, in case of our simple harmonic motion, this is the displacement. If this displacement is only the acceleration means increase in the speed increase the rate. Speed increases in the downward direction. That means displacement is in the upward direction, but increase in the velocity is in the downward direction. So displacement and acceleration are opposite. That is why this minus sign denotes that the motion acceleration is opposite to your displacement dx. Understood tawreko asig omega se kai manani. Omega is nothing but nangi omega di 2 pi by, can we write like this? Omega square is equal to root over k divided by m. This is root over lakra. We know that omega is 2 pi by t mana bro manare. Or we can put like this 2 pi f. Remember this in your circular motion 2 pi f. This is equal to 2 pi by t. This formula will hold true for circular motion. How we say physics that if you try to by heart the formula separately for each and every chapter, then you will be forgetting this very soon. Omega is circular motion that this expression, rotatory motion that rotatory motion the omega will be this. Aduga mo nangi oscillation na mula oscillation aduga mo wave sida sige chapter mari is the kayogani. Omega is nothing but this is with angular frequency will be equal to 2 pi by t or 2 pi by f, where t is the time period and f is the frequency. Is that understood or not? Si hangani adu 2 pi f is equal to this is root over k divided by m lakra. Adu here f is equal to root over kaya manani say 1 by 2 pi kaya lako root over k by m na lakra. Lai adu sidi ay na sa formula ta fetang ay na kaw bagi tawuni ko. I go through this step because I have forgotten the formula, and that means there was little confusion regarding k and the m. Is it k in the upside in the denominator or numerator? Sikra confusion pagi I go through this step. Sig step the chapani. Adu if you by heart this formula, frequency will be equal to 1 by 2 pi root over k by m. That's all. That's enough for this question. See question sigiti yam naigre. Understood we go. Aduga if you do not by heart this, you can go through this. Time period t is equal to time period of oscillation or time period of rotatory motion or waves. Sidi kailani 2 pi root over m divided by k. You just go through like this. If you once remember the expression for a frequency or time period, you can find out the remaining one. Time period frequency can be find out, frequency time period can be find out. Is that understood or not? Hangani ko. Adu here sila nang hangadu say. This is not the solution. Solution dinate. When you see, this is simply the understanding of the question. Question do ko hangani. Question number 49. The f is equal to a m to power x k raised to power y m. This is the frequency of this system. See system sigi natra. Adu di magi frequency kya mana frequency is equal to 1 by 2 nana direct hati saloba mana question sita mention to rombani na k divided by m natro. In the question it clearly mentions this diagram. We know that if we consider a system consisting of spring and mass, then what will be the frequency of their oscillation? Oscillation this here can be write like this. This is constant. K will be raised to power half. And what about this mass m? Mass m will be also raised to power half. That means it will be k raised to power half. And what about this m? M will be raised to power minus half. K will be raised to power half. If we compare this will be equal to a m x k y m have x will be equal to minus half. If we compare this and this, if we compare this and this, y will be equal to half. This is the shortcut way to calculate our principle of homogeneity. If you know the equation or if you know the formula, then you just write the formula and just equate the power. Power the substance manhalo physical quantity gi. Yare ko m gi na raised power x leibna tro. Actual formula the kya oi? Actual formula the m gi power se minus half oi bna tro. Minus half to option 0. This is the simplest way nangna formula the by heart to it is very easy formula by heart to direct ko let us go through the conventional method tamu try to ging si adudi actually kamai na hot tare the frequency f will be equal to 6 minus evaporemo the this is dimension constant in let us put like this or frequency we can put like this t inverse 1 m0 l0 is there understood or not see yarani ko se I bro here if we use this equation then what is the dimensional formula of frequency dimensional formula of frequency is t inverse and this is constant, so we are not going to consider mass. This mass is raised to power x into what about this k? K is the string constant. And for this question, you must be able to find out what is your string constant. According to this equation, you use Hooke's law. According to Hooke's law, force is equal to kx and this is x k is equal to f divided by x, that is ml t inverse 2 divided by l, so this l and l get cancelled out. If a string is pulled out by x distance, then the restoring force developed will be equal to kx. This is according to Hooke's law. Hooke's law is the k value is how much? This will be m t inverse 2. Okay, t inverse 2 and this is raised to power y and we can be equal like this. This is equal to m0 t inverse 1 l0. See that here this is x, this is power y, so can we write m is equal to x plus y. And this is t raised to power minus 2y. Then we put like this. Here, see that the can equations equating both sides. Both sides say equate to and m power this is x plus y. X plus y must be equal to 0. Why? See that the 0 like nato. Principle of homogeneity principle of homogeneity states that if the physical quantity on the right hand side is length, then physical quantity on the left hand side must be also length. Like here mass must be equal to, there must be 0. See the mass here. If x plus y comes out to be 1, then our equation will be wrong, because on the left hand side, what is the coefficient of mass? What is the coefficient of or what is the power of mass? It is 0. So this x plus y must be equal to 0. And what is the coefficient of time? Time will be minus 1. This minus 2 will be equal to, we can put like this, minus 2y must be equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. This get cancelled out. So y is equal to y is equal to half the lambda. Like here, if we have to find out the value of x will be equal to minus y. That means it will be minus half, and we do get the same answer. This is the conventional way. This is the shortcut. Shortcut should be go through your known formula. Question number 38. Question number 38. Question number 39, question number 48, question number 49. These are based on this concept. The company. I have done all the questions through shortcut. Here we are done with our dimensional formula, and tomorrow we will be doing one particular class based on your instrumental question. Let us wind up for today.